Hi, Bring Around the Rosy friends. This is Miss April today. Today we have a show for you, a puppet show. The title of the show is Staying Healthy. So here we go. My guest today is Jeremy the Giraffe. Hello, I'm Jeremy the Giraffe. And Tidy the Tiger.
Hello.
Tidy the Tiger and Jeremy the Giraffe were playing outside. When Jeremy the Giraffe sneezed and coughed,
Achoo, achoo.
he sneezed and coughed all over the place.
Achoo, achoo, achoo.
Tidy the Tiger told him he needs to cough and sneeze into his elbow.
Cough and sneeze into your elbow.
He continued to tell him to wash his hands for 20 seconds.
Wash your hands for 20 seconds.
Don't touch his face.
Don't touch your face.
And keep some space between others.
Keep some space between others.
Jeremy the Giraffe was so happy. He got so happy for the information he received. They elbowed each other and waved goodbye. And that's the story of staying healthy. Bye. See you next time.